Today we are doing minimum problem 983, minimum cost for tickets. You have planned some traveling 1 year in advance. The days, each day is 1 through 365. We can buy 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, and we can travel. Okay, we get that minimum dollars. Okay, I mean, clearly we want some DPI, where DPI is best we can get by first I days, right? And then we simply want to cover all these. And then, you know, one thing we can do is these are up to 365, right? So what we can do is we can mark one here, and then if there is DPI we can cover it by either of the three. I mean, that's the easiest solution, right? So we can cover the day by picking anything of these. So we do DPI is cost 0 plus DPI minus 1, or cost 1 plus DPI minus 7, or blah blah, right? You get the gist. You get the gist, I guess. So we can do like, we can shorten it to 30 days only, I guess. So that could work, but that's dependent on number of days. I mean, who cares? So let's do like dp0 times, let's call it like m is days minus 1, and then we can go for d in days. Let's do this. M plus 1 if days I is d, then DPI mean of cos 0 plus DPI minus 1 max 0 this, or cos 1 plus dp max I minus 7. Okay. This could work. What are the costs? 1000, so you can like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then dp0 0. Let's see. Oh, because this is dp day. Oh my god, I messed it up. Okay. Okay, that works. I mean, that was okay. I guess we get the fastest solution, but there are different approaches, right? And you know, another approach would be because this number of days it's always larger, right? First of all, we could cut down on the memory to keep only last 30 days, which is absolutely useless because it's 365. But in reality we would want to do that, I think. So that's one thing. We could do it by chunks of 30. Maybe that would even be slower. Second thing is that do we really have to do this though? I guess that's a solution. Let's see editorial. What does it say? Top down DP. What's K? Okay. Bottom up DP. Okay. Who cares? Let's write. Thought there would be something smarter, but I guess you cannot really do that. I mean, you could do in ON approach, but okay, so we states and O1 transitions per state, space complexity O1 since we could simply store the previous and last 30 days and to erase theoretically O1, but for such a small m this would probably be practice. Okay, 7 minutes write up and 4 minutes solution.